साहिल हाथ के ऊपर किया है।
और वो तभी कहता है when he was speaking, I wanted to speak about the same topic, like
अच्छा
टॉस का हमारा थर्ड मार्किंग चालू है एक्सेप्ट फॉर द आईडीएस में जो मार्किंग
ओके, we'll discuss. Let me discuss with faculty. Give me a day's
Yes.
time. Yeah. What do you think Shirish is drawing?
Contours.
Amazing.
Okay. Can everybody see this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now we have a diagram. You know this is a contour. This is a contour map, right? So what I do is I will give the definition to this diagram. Yeah. Right now it's just a bunch of lines. We know it is a contour map because we have seen these lines before, right? But what is the definition of this contour? Okay, so very simply, I'm just going to add the contour interval. Yeah. Suppose I say that this is the contour interval. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there are 20 contours. Let me say each contour is at 1 meter distance. Okay, so I'll start with contour number 1. Yeah, this is number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, which means when I start from this point, okay, I'll say that this is the first contour. So this point somewhere here will be the 0. Okay, by the time I reach here, it means that I have climbed 20 meters. Yeah. So that's your contour interval. Okay. So now here's the exercise. So what I'll do, so 20 meters, and let me give the size.
कौन से पेपर शीट साइज?
Actual size बताइए, not to scale.
हाँ चलो.
So if I say 20 meters minus 2, स्टीप रखना है?
स्टीप रखना. इधर है ना, इधर पास में जहाँ है वो स्टीप है ना.
वो तो बहुत स्टीप हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
लेकिन जनरली 20 meters, this is compared to this 20 meters.
Yeah.
If this distance is say 40 meters, then it will be 45 degrees.
Correct.
Okay, or not 45 degrees, it will be around about 30 degrees. Right? So if you want to make it more, because let's increase this. Say, let's take it down. Yeah. This is not decent. Let's make it say 18. Okay, so the size is 80 meters by 80 meters. Yeah, is that okay? Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so the size is 80 meters by 80 meters in total. The contour interval is 1 meter. Yeah. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you guys 2 small houses. Okay, you have to set these 2 small houses on these contours, and you have to build a staircase from one house to the other. Yeah, so I'm going to make a plan of these houses first. House number 1.
Just tap. हाँ, वो राइट क्लिक हो जाता है गलती से.
The houses have pitch roofs, so I'll draw the roof in dotted. Don't mind the overhang. I'm trying to bring the overhang such that it covers the Is this legible? Tell me if it is not legible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. So this is 5.5 meters. This is 8 meters. Extended pathway is this is one structure. Yeah. I'm going to give you for this structure the height of the eave, okay, and the height of the ridge. This is one structure. Okay, I'll give you the other structure now.
Oh. It's very spooky because you are not seeing what the lines are getting drawn.
That must be really
It's
scary.
very spooky.
Somebody's drawing those lines. We don't know how to understand. Okay, this structure has a flat roof. Yeah. Floor to ceiling, roof height is 2 say 3.2 meters. Yeah, it's a flat roof structure. Okay. I will assume that the entrance in this case, this is the main door here. So I'm going to draw the main door. This is the entrance. Can you see this? Here, you enter from here. All right. In this case, you enter from here. Okay. I'll give you a dimension for this house. Okay. Another thing. Wherever you have information which is missing, you will assume that information. Okay. For example, what is this? What is this W1? What is the width?
Shirish, we can't hear you properly.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you see in the first house I have put W1, which is window 1, right? But I have not given you the width of that window, correct? Hi, is anybody there?
Yes.
Yeah, somebody has to say something. So I know that the message has gone through. So W1, I have not given you the width. You decide that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, over here there are two. Over here, if you look here, there are two small kind of openings. Can you see them?
Yes.
Yeah. I have not given you the dimension. Okay. You assume that.
Yeah.
So wherever the information is not given, you assume that.
Okay.
Okay. So here are two houses. One has a pitch roof, one has a flat roof. I'm going to draw the dotted line of the flat roof on the second house. Okay. So we know that is the extent of the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the extent of the flat roof. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, the same logic. Wherever information is not there, you will assume that information. I will give you now the basic dimension of this particular house. So this particular house from this end to this end, say here, is about, again, say 9 meters. Okay. And from this end to say this end, this is 9 meters by 9 meters. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that okay? Now, here's the exercise. Yeah, you have a site which is 80 meters by 80 meters. Okay. You have to locate these two houses on this site. Yeah. And they have to be on two different levels. Okay. They can't be on the same level. Okay. How you orient the house is entirely up to you. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, but you can. I'll just put north up as a thing so that you have some reference. This is north. Yeah. All right. You have to locate the two houses on these contours. Okay. In understanding the contour. Yeah. Feel free to put it anywhere. It is completely fine. But when you put it there, you understand that there is a contour, and you have to build a staircase that goes from one house to the other house. Understood? Is that okay? Now this staircase, please don't think of this as a staircase in your house. Okay, this is a staircase, a kind of a staircase that happens when you are, say, I don't know if you guys have, anybody is from Pune. Is anybody from Pune?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So if you climb Parvati, there are steps there, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Or if anybody is from Nasik, if you've gone to Trambakeshwar and you're climbing, what is that place? Brahmagiri. Yeah, or similar such places. Okay, so imagine that this is actually a real project where the land is shaped like this. Okay, and you have to create a experience of actually walking from one house to the other. Yeah, negotiating the terrain. Okay, such that the comfort is maintained, meaning that you will figure out a way of, so you're not going to increase the risers to say 50 centimeters, which is what Brahmagiri probably has in some places. Okay, no, you will keep the risers at maximum. Okay, I'll put that also. Stair riser maximum.
So basically, I should be able to climb it.
Basically, Mamta should be able to climb, in a breeze. Basically. So, riser maximum. $20 centimeters. Okay. Yeah. So this staircase is actually not like a contiguous staircase. It can be a combination of steps, flat part, steps again, flat part, steps again. Yeah. But you will not do a ramp anywhere. No ramps. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose. Is this a challenging enough exercise for you guys? You think? Any questions?
So, do you want Shirish to recap like a geography class as to what happens when you see contour lines very close to each other?
Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's read the contours for a while. Okay, suppose if I say that rain is going to fall on this site. Okay, where will the water come from? Where will the water run out from? Can we make that out? Anyone?
Yeah, where the lines are concentrated, those are steeps, so from
Correct.
there it will flow.
No, not necessarily only where the lines are concentrated. Yeah, it will actually grow. You can see that there is a valley which is being formed. Na? Can you see a valley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm just going to put these lines here. If you see, this is the. Can you see this?
No.
That's
Yeah.
yeah. That's the valley. The valley is turning. Huh? Okay. We could have had another valley coming here also on this side, but we didn't draw it like that. Then it would be two valleys meeting into one. Okay, so understand that those are the places from where water is going to actually run down. Yeah.
Shirish, hello. Hello.
Yeah, Bol.
Is it like both the number 1 and number 20 both are like elevated and number 12 is depressed to form the valley?
No,
No.
that's the thing. The valley again. See, a contour drawing is not number 12 is not depressed. Number 12 is exactly where it is. Okay, the valley is generated because of the shape of that contour and its relative space between the two contours. For example, if you, I'm going to draw again and tell me if you're able to see this. Okay, can you see my pen now? I'm making an arrow here. Can you see?
No.
Did you see the arrow that I added in between? Okay, so now
Yeah.
if you see number 9, number 10, number 11 are concentrating at that point. Yeah. So effectively, what is happening is that the distance between the contour is coming closer. Okay, but the contour interval is not changing. Yeah, you understand? The contour interval is still 1 meter. Okay, if I have a contour interval of 1 meter and I have a space of, say, over here I'm drawing another arrow. Okay, tell me when you see this arrow. Will you see this arrow? Can you see this arrow?
Left-hand side.
Left-hand side between 9 and 10.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you see the arrow between 9 and 10?
Yes.
Okay, so between 9 and 10, the contour interval is 1 meter. Okay, which means the height gain is 1 meter. Okay. But the distance between the two over here seems to be much larger now. So it must be say around about say 5 meters, suppose. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the same distance reduces to almost say 50 centimeters when it comes to the middle arrow that I have put over here. Here, sorry.
Hmm.
Here, exactly here. Can you see this? The distance between the contour
Wait.
reduces. What does that mean? The slope becomes steeper over there.
Hmm.
Correct? So it is the. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, like continuing to Tanay's question. So
Ah,
from 0 to 12
ah,
to 20,
ah.
all are going up, right?
Yeah, because we have given those numbers and we have said the contour interval is 1 meter, and I said that the zero level is on the top left. Yeah. So the slope is actually going up from 0 to 20. Yes.
So if we see if we say that I'm at that 0 point, and
Ah,
if I start walking, and if I'm somewhere between the lines of 4 and 5, so I would be
correct.
somewhere around 4 meters elevated height.
Yes, you will be at a 4 meter elevated height. You are absolutely right.
And same
Okay.
when I'm between 16 and 17, I am around 16-meter height.
Yes, you are at a 16-meter height. Correct.
Okay, I'm going to butt in thoda
Yeah,
sa.
Mamta. Go ahead.
Ignore the numbers for now, okay? Because I'm going to just butt in here and there. So number change हो जाएगा. What if I have something here, okay? What does this indicate? What
It is
was
a
what
flat.
Yeah. What is a contour line? It's a line that joins points at the same elevation, correct? So which means this portion is now all flat. Correct?
But it's not flat. It has a
Yeah.
1 meter slope
So
between
that. Okay, so there will be that point or whatever over here, wherever that 1 meter is happening, right? Now, here we are saying that this gradually rises. It's gradually rising like this, correct? Or actually, it's gradually. I don't want to draw over this because you have to take this down. It's gradually rising in this direction, correct? Now, what is happening at the point where it's coming very close? You have to visualize by drawing a section through it. Okay. So when Shirish is talking about say 9 and 10, right? Whatever that distance is, the rise is 1 meter. Correct?
Yeah.
And if it goes by and still that rise is 1 meter,
Slope
which
will be
means
steeper.
the slope gets steeper. This is a gradual slope and this is a steeper slope. Right? Did you get that?
Yes.
Which means I'm very definitely looking at a very steep slope from 9 here to 15 here. This slope is very steep. If those lines actually converge there, what do I get?
If those lines converge there, then what will I get?
In terms of a landform, what is it?
Like a cliff.
Yeah,
Correct.
completely clear.
So correct. When I cut a section here, all those 1 meter points are all coming at the same point, or maybe very close to
In
each
plan,
other.
in plan they are the
That
same.
is going to be what I get. So
A
it's
cliff.
going to be a kind of a cliff condition. Is that clear? Now is that clear to you? What's happening? So like very rightly, like Shirish said, when you have these, how do you identify the ridges and the valleys? Okay, I'll share this PPT with you. It's there on the previous. I don't want to draw on this. So this is what is happening when they all start protruding out like this. I get a ridge, and when they all start moving in, I get a valley. Okay. So try and look at this. We need not get into cut, fill, and whatever. Now cut and fill you have to do.
Cut and fill will happen as soon as you start to put your buildings on the site. You will realize that your buildings will require certain degree, because the buildings have to sit on the site, right? So in the process of sitting of the building on site, and in the process of arriving at suitable sort of connections or your staircases between the two objects or the two houses that I've suggested, you will find that you will enter into an exercise of cut and fill, yeah, or you will enter into an exercise of creating piloty structures below to anchor the building and things like that. So that is bound to happen, yeah.
Yeah, so wherever you place it now, you might want to place it like this because you want to do less of time fill, and then how do you negotiate from here to wherever the other structure is your
Is the
challenge
exercise, is your
and
challenge.
your exercise, right? So you have to design, so like Shirish very rightly said, we're not doing a BMC staircase, sorry for using that term, but we are doing a good kind of intervention in the landscape,
Yeah,
good experience.
In the landscape, yeah.
And like I said, I should not be huffing and puffing by the time I reach there. Okay?
Comfort has to be brought into this this transition, yeah.
Any questions? Is this clear enough? We'll share this thing with you so that you will get this drawing automatically.
शिरीष
Yeah.
शिरीष ये जो वाटर फ्लो के बारे में जो बोला था उसके ऊपर एक कमेंट करना है, मुझे पता नहीं वो मतलब क्वेश्चन है कि ये जो लैंडस्केप है इसके ऊपर अगर बारिश होगी फिर वो पानी रैंडमली मूव करेगा, मतलब वो नीचे नीचे जाने की कोशिश करेगा और
पर वो रैंडमली नहीं करेगा श्याम, वो रैंडमली नहीं करेगा. देख, I'll show you now where all are. So when I say ridge and valley, okay, they are both relative to each other. Let me explain you. Okay, if you see over, I'm drawing on this green pointer now. If you see over here, sorry, this is purple line. You see here, Sham? Even here, there is a gentle valley which will be formed. Can you sense it? Because of the nature of the land contours. Okay, there is a gentle valley which is formed over here also. Okay, so in fact, this also will put water down in this direction. Water will move in this direction also. Okay, this is of course a steeper valley. Yeah, this you can make out is a steeper valley. Okay. Suppose as an exercise, I invert this. Suppose if I put the 0 over here and I put 20 over there. Okay. The ridges will become valleys, yeah, and the valleys will become ridges. Correct? I'm simply inverting I'm simply putting 0 on this side and the higher slope on the other side. Yeah. देख क्या होता है, ठीक है. So
मतलब हम लोग सीरीज ऑफ ये काउंटूर के वजह से एक एनोलोप बन रहे छोटे छोटे, हर एक काउंटूर पे एक छोटा छोटा एनोलोप बन रहा है, मतलब एक स्पेस बन रहा है जिसको कवर कर रहा है उसके ऊपर का काउंटूर. तो एक छोटे छोटे एनोलोप्स बन रहे हैं, हम लोग बस उन्हें.
Okay, I'll draw here. I will now draw a section from this entire land. Okay. Mamta had started drawing in the green, but now I will draw it on the contour. Okay, imagine Sham now. Imagine that I'm cutting a section exactly here. Okay, can you see this line? Okay, and I'm looking in this direction. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, at this point, this is 1 meter. At this point, this is 1 plus 1 meter. At this point, this is 3 meters. Correct? And I'm going at the contour interval of 1 meter. Okay? At this point, it is 4 meters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It's not accurate, but you get the point, right? Sham?
I got it.
Okay. This goes 5 meters. And at this point, it goes 6 meters. Okay? Which means that the land at this section line is actually somewhat like this. Samajh raha hai? Okay. Now, if we extend this, and I come to if I extend this section now, and let's take it to where the concentrated lines are. Suppose if I bring the section to here. This line will be 7 meters to somewhere here. This line, okay, will be 8 meters to somewhere here. The slope changes. See, the actual slope changes. दिख रहा है?
हाँ
Yeah. And as I come to these two lines, it will suddenly go up. समझा श्याम?
समझा
Okay. Now you have to understand this exercise is not only an exercise in plan. You have to work with the section very well. Okay. The minute I put the house on this plan, I have to know what is the land below. What is the slope at which the land is going? Correct? Okay. ठीक है.
शिरीष,
हाँ.
मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि अगर पानी एक पर्टिकुलर फ्लो को, एक पर्टिकुलर लाइन को फॉलो कर रहा है, अगर पानी जब
ठीक है.
जाएगा कहीं से, तो वो उसी लाइन को फॉलो क्यों करेगा? उसको तो बस खुद की हाइट कम करनी है ना, उसको तो बस खुद की हाइट कम करनी है.
बराबर है, लेकिन वो प्लीज समझ, वो तेरा जो लैंड है, ओके, उसके अंदर देयर आर फॉर्मेशंस दैट मेक द वाटर मूव इन सर्टेन डायरेक्शन. Of course, water will reduce its height, but it will reduce its height with the easiest way out, na? Okay. If you drop water, even on your floor, suppose you drop water tends to move in certain direction. Yeah. Sometimes it moves in two directions. Yes. होता है ना ऐसा? Because water will find its way, you know, depending on what the ground is, depending on what the slope is. Yeah. So
take a ruler, na Sham. Take a ruler, put a drop of water on one end of the ruler, lift that end up, and then watch based on how new or old your ruler is. Just watch where the water is.
And it will never. It will. All the forces will come at play when water is coming down. All the formations of land will come in play when water is running down. Okay, but eventually the water will consolidate into rivers, right? All water will eventually end in a river.
Correct. Or there is a catchment.
Or there is some kind of a catchment.
Yeah, to add contours here, the other way. हाँ, ये highest green वाला highest point हो गया, और यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे उल्टा direction में बढ़ाती जाऊँगी this direction. Then I'll have or other the opposite direction. Okay, ये मैं यहाँ पे करते जाऊँगी, right?
हाँ, तो नीचे
नीचे जाएगा. So this thing is not going to be a peak or a high point.
Yeah,
this is a low point. So water will flow from the high point through this, and I'll get a catchment. If this continues like this, then I'm going to get a stream or a river which moves ahead.
You can imagine right now we have cut the contour, but imagine that this contour goes like this. Imagine that this contour goes like this. Yeah. Suppose. So that will become your catchment. Okay. Anyone else? Sham, थोड़ा clear हो रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ हो रहा है.
Yeah, that's why Shirish mentioned that यहाँ पे पानी flow होने वाला है, because this is the 20 is the highest point, and all these contours that you see to the top right where he shows the arrows, they are towards the highest point.
Yeah.
So that becomes the valley. Did you understand?
See, the valley condition is created because of the way the contours are shaped. Yeah, very simple. You will. This is by the way, this is just the first exercise that you are doing probably in contours. You will be doing much more complex kind of land analysis when you go to your landscape course in the third year. Okay, Sandeep and Shweta and these guys will do a kind of a micro analysis of pieces of lands also. Yeah, which will but this will help. This is like this is something. This is this much handling of the contour and sense of sight we should have. Also, please understand the contour is an abstraction of that land. Meaning right now you see I have drawn this slopes going like this. Okay. the contour, it doesn't mean that the land actually steps. Huh? ऐसा नहीं है ये. ऐसा नहीं है चीज. Okay, actually, it is like this. Land actually is like this. Let's understand that. Yeah.
But those lines actually don't exist there.
Those lines we are drawing them for us to actually understand, get an abstraction of the landscape which is there. Yeah.
Shirish,
Yeah.
if the land is like in actual is flat on that like the increase of height, then how do we show that in contours? Like if it is flat from 7 to 8.
From 7 to 8, but it is not flat.
वो green मैंने intervene किया है.
वो flat नहीं है.
इसका measures.
7 to 8 के बीच में if I draw.
No, if it is flat, then how do we show that?
No, it is flat. मतलब it will be relatively flat. Okay. If it is whatever it is, if it is अगर ये distance बढ़ गया 7 to 8 के बीच में, okay, तो slope इतना कम हो जाएगा कि वो flat लगेगा, बराबर ना?
Yeah.
Correct? So वो उतना slope है फिर. कम slope है. Section में थोड़ा flat दिखेगा. See, it's relative ना? It is not. It's relative because that distance is more. You sense that the site is flat. Actually, frankly speaking, no site is flat ever. There are no sites which are. Which karst plateau? No. But even then. No. But nothing is flat. Nothing actually is flat. It is the relative kind of this thing that you choose to see. If I choose to see a small parcel, okay, it will appear that it has a lot of slope in it. Yeah. If I choose to see a big parcel, it might be that relatively the slope is much lesser. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. See, we didn't do the scales of seeing exercise with them.
Yeah, that's why only this exercise.
Okay. All right. You guys will give this a shot. Yeah, you will have to use your drawing tools. By the way, वो CAD पे करना है CAD पे कर, जैसे करना है वैसे कर. SketchUp पे करना है SketchUp पे कर, कोई problem नहीं है. Yeah.
And ensure if you have like
build a model.
Yeah.
Build a model.
Make a model. If you have 4 or 5 steps that come together because of the landform, and you really can't dig so much into it. Make sure you have a railing for it. थोड़ा लैंडस्केप करो उसके साथ अच्छा करो.
वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक बार वो करेंगे ना तो पता चल जाएगा कहाँ पे रिटेन करना है कहाँ पे करना है. Once you start making it. Just a simple recommendation: don't keep the two houses too close to each other. Yeah, थोड़ा उसमें play आने दे. Whatever information is not there, put on the house. Okay, you can assume. The exercise is not about those houses. Remember that. The exercise is about negotiating the land between the two houses. Yeah. Is that okay? Is that okay? Somebody has to say yes.
No question.
Yeah.
So we assume the distance between the two contours, right? Like if from 9 to 10 we assume 5, so we just assume the distance.
Yes. What you can do is you can just trace this slide if you want also. Okay? And scale it. Yeah. Right now it's not in scale. I have just drawn proportional drawing. Okay. You can trace on it and you can scale it to 80 meters. Yeah. It will इधर उधर हो गया कोई problem नहीं है. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And Shirish, when we're talking about the staircase, are we talking about like we're talking about like a small kind of like a natural kind of staircase that goes with the form, and doesn't need railings and all that, or?
ठीक है, Shravan. Now, right now we have not said railings, okay? But if you feel that there are some places where railings is absolutely required because the slope is too steep, add a railing. You don't need it everywhere.
And
Yeah.
it doesn't have to be like a traditional staircase. It can just be steps placed along the contour.
अरे वो तो पहले ही बोला ना, वो तो पहले ही बोला. And I said earlier. Okay, is that okay with you guys? Shall I remove the purple lines and the green lines? Let the section be there. Okay, let the section be there. Okay, fine. So run this जैसा है वैसा run this like. Yeah, let's see.
Just escape for a minute last, I think.
Oops.
Went to just escape. Went to the next slide. You can.
Keep your yes.
Yes,
Keep.
na?
Keep.
Good. Okay, so now we can share this with them.
Yeah. All right. Chalo, you guys will give some thought to this exercise, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We are saying that we will do. See, today spend some time working on it, whatever time you have remaining, and then we will look at this exercise in the class next time. Yeah. So we'll spend time working on this exercise during our class hours. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
I'm putting this presentation up on second year IDS lecture wala group under what is this? Presentations. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This board is super.
This is damn good. I always do this. First year देख कितना मजा आता है. How do you do it with first years otherwise? They don't know anything, poor things. Okay, so I'll put it up here. If you can still, I don't think you can see this. Contours.ppt, okay?
Yeah.
ठीक है.